Did you find the course today?
It was brilliant, so good. Like, I've walked in knowing nothing and now I can go and put those things into practice, so I'm really excited.
Absolutely loved it. I've kind of come in a bit of an AI dunce, as it were, and now I feel like I know so much more about things like ChatGPT, HeyGen, and Canva as well, so really recommend it.
The course has been really good. It sort of showed areas that we hadn't looked into before, about ChatGPT and how we can use it in day-to-day operations, which is pretty good. It's not just for making up silly stories about books, but actually to use it in your day-to-day workflow and actually make yourself more efficient.
The course was really well. I learned a lot about HeyGen, CapCut, and I'm looking forward to starting the side hustle.
How did you find the course today?
Loved it. I got more confidence around using the AI, creating a chat agent, and it will enable me now to move forward with Canva, video creation, and tasks that I want to do on a daily basis.